When all my words in a shrine. Bury me 20 feet on the pyramids. I don't know where my fear is. Only fill it with God. Elevate on my spirit.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So I feel so strange talking to you like this, but today's look is inspired by Avengers Infinity War. If you would like to see how I created this Infinity War inspired makeup look, then please keep watching.
All of your dreams mesh with mine. Many children are like I filling my voice with worldly pleasures. What is success? Why do I measure? Physical game, max the pressure. I'ma need that 745 dripped in leather. Paradise, 100 mil, Kodak, perfect weather. I know, yeah, I know it's wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know, yeah, I know it's wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know, yeah, I know it's wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know, yeah, I know it's wrong. Whoa. If I could be anything in this world, it'd be free. I feel it like Duckworth. I know it must hurt whenever my pride clings. All of my lies seem Kelly the opera. All the imposters. I don't know the meaning of living inside the moment. For I say gratitude often, I condone it. I am only human, God knows my components. Eyes in the mirror, look at my opponent. Kill 100 rappers, I send my condolences. This a figment of my imagination. I don't know if I deserve the admiration. These days, no, you gotta bring half the patience. I remember when I was desperate, had to make it. Bleed acceptance, feed my restless need to impeach my precious sense of self. The feeling of needing more to be more. Devil and God on a seesaw, and I know it's wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know, yeah, I know it's wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa.
If you like this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button down below, and subscribe to my channel if you like crazy looks like this. A lot of my stuff is inspired by new film releases, TV releases, and just things like that. So if you like things like that, like me, then hit the subscribe button down below. Or if you just like a little bit crazy, then join the fam. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Like my girl Lisa Ray do. Make money but don't never let it make you. Every day I wake up, brush my teeth and pray to Jesus. Got some L's on me but I'm out filled with my angels. Back when mama had a pool with us, had me singing more than New Edition. Waiting on my daddy like a new subscription.